Hello, guys. I am Vivek Pandey, your friend. Welcome to the series of problem solving on arrays. I'm here again with a new problem in front of you. So it is the ninth question, and you have seen up to 1 to 8 questions, I guess. So let's read and understand what is the question is all about, and I will explain you what is input and what will be the output, and then we'll implement the code also. So let's see here. Given an array of n integers where n is greater than 1. Okay, obviously the size should be more than 1. And then write a code to print the result. We have to print the result such that a result of I means everything is equal to the product of all the elements product should be there. Often, yes, of an element is, it is not except, not error, it is of an, okay, except self. So it means it is asking us to do multiplication of all but not itself. So let's see what is the input in this. So input array, we have understood there will be an array here. So like I'm just giving here 4, and then here it is 2, 4, here 2, and then here it is 1, and then here it is 7. So now what will be the output is the output. What it is saying that we have to print the like total product, but not, this should not include in the product. So what is the meaning of that? The meaning is 2 into 1, 2 1 ja 2, and 2 into 7, 2 7 ja 14. So my output should be something like this. So what is the output here in this place? It is 14 comma, and this 2 should not include this time, and everything should include like 4 into 1, 4 1 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28. The answer would be 28 here, comma. Now this 1 should not include and everything else. So 2 7 ja 14, 14 into 4. Yes, so 4, sorry, 4 2 ja 8, right? 4 2 ja 8, and 8 into 7, 56. Or else you can do it vice versa also, like 7 into 4, 28 into 2, 56. Fine. Now this time this 7 should not get included. So it means what? 4 2 ja 8, 8 into 1 it is 8. So this should be the output, guys. Now anything is of this kind, we should write the code. Now what is the logic for this logic? So the logic is simple. Logic. So now first thing is what? First step. Step one. Step one. So the step one is logic. First, what we have to do is product of all the numbers in the given array. All the numbers. Okay. Now let's see product. Let's do the product. 4 into 2 into 1 into 7. How much it is? 4 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 8 into 1, and then we have what? 56. Perfect, I got a 56. Step 2. Step 2. Now now what we have to do is let's divide it. Divide with the number, with the number. Yes, which we don't want to include. Divide with the number which we don't want to include. Yeah. So now what happens here is, now what will be the output here? For example, now it is 56. Fine, 56. Divided with what? First one is 56 divided by 4. 4 is there, right? 4. Fine. Now after this, we have second number. For second number, uh, 2 we have, right? 2. So what is this? 56 divided by 2. Total, what is the total product? We have what is the product? Third one is what? 56 divided with 1. And then here 4. 4 is what? Again it is 7. So 56 divided by what? 7. Yeah. So here, what will be the answer here? 56 by 4. So if you don't know, let's open the calculator here to be clear. 56 divided by 4. How much? It is 14. So 14 is the answer. Good. Next one. 56 by 2, it is simple only 28. We can do this. This is 56 by 1, it is 56 only, 56. And then this one, and it will be 8. Yes, because 8 into 7, 56. 8. Fine. So now, whenever we have the results, it means we have to store it in another array. So step 3, store all these in a new array, or starting only you can create a new array. Fine. So first we have to do the product, and then whatever the number we don't want to include, by divided by that number, and that's it, guys. This is very simple logic for this. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to solve this problem in Java. So let's get started here. So for example, if I'm giving here, like, what is the number I given here? 4217 will give 4 comma 2 comma 1 comma 7. Fine. Now this is what. Now I need to take what product. We know how to do the product. First it should be like 1 sum and product. So for sum we have to take it as 0, but it is product, so 1 it is. Now that is fine. Now what we have to do is, in order to save or in order to store the elements in another array is required, right? Another array. So I'm taking another array, result. Okay. And initially this will be like a empty. So what is the size of this I need to take? So new int, and what is the size? ARR dot length. So here my requirement is there. Here this is for what? Doing the operation and also storing. Yeah, individual we have to remove, right? Eliminating that by division operator. So this is done. Now this two arrays and one variable product is equal to 1. Now let's run the loop here. From every index I wanted, so int I is equal to 0, I is less than ARR dot length, I plus plus. This is routine, we know already. Now we need to do the product. Product is very simple. PRO is equal to prod into, means asterisk, and then ARR of I. Each and every element we have to do the product. Fine, we have done the product also. So once we are done with the product, now what we have to do, we have to save, we have to store each and every element in this. So currently this is having what? Empty, right? So total how many empty? 1 2 3 4. So 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. Initially it is all this. Now each and every element, every indexes I need to fill. So for that reason I'm just taking another for loop here. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than ARR dot length, and then I plus plus. Now in this for loop, what I need to do is I need to display CISO, and what I need to display result. A result of what? I plus, and then this is what? Print. Huh. Now up to here it is done. product we have done, total product I got, total product. Now total product work is done. Now what I need to do, each and every element I need to store here, but it should not be included. So how we can do that? Let's see what it is in the result. In the result of I, what I need to store here in the result of I. So whatever the total product we have, product, we have to divide it with the element ARR of I. So what is that ARR of I? Starting it is 0, so it is 4. With the 4 I'm dividing it here. Example, what is the product here? 56 divided by ARR of I means what? ARR of I means ARR of 0. 0 is what? 4. That's it. Yeah, 56 divided by 4. Now once we are done with this, we are just printing this also. So now let's see whether it is working or not. Yeah, did we got the same answer, same output? 14, 28, 56. Yeah, yes, it is successfully working. Now let me give some other elements here. So for example, 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 2 comma 3. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Is it working? Yes, it is working, guys. Let me execute this once again. 180. Yeah. Now you can check this, cross check whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working. Yes. So this is a question. This will be the input, and this is how we are getting the output. It is simple logic here. Total product and divide by this number. Thank you for watching. We will be meeting again in the next session. So till then, bye bye.